Hey everyone, Solar Power and Pump Supply here. Today, we're tackling some of the most common questions we get about the controllers we carry. This time of year, we hear from a lot of customers saying their tank full light or low well light is on, and they're wondering what's going on. For this video, we'll be using a SunRotor controller as our example, but what I'm going to show you applies to a lot of controllers out there in the industry. Alright, first scenario. You've got a controller with a tank full switch wired in, but no low well sensor. That means the normally open low well sensor is bridged. So basically, you've only got one sensor in the system, and that tank full light is on. Here's a quick way to test it. With the tank full, turn your controller off. Unscrew the tank full sensor. Turn the system back on. Now, one of two things will happen. If the light goes out, the switch or the cable is probably the issue. If the light stays on, even with the sensor disconnected, it's more likely a circuit board problem, and that's when you give us a call. Next scenario, the low well light is on. In this example, we've removed the tank full switch, so it's easier to focus just on the low well side. On most controllers, the low well switch is a normally closed switch. So first, we want to figure out if the problem is the sensor or the controller. Here's how to test. Turn the controller off and remove the sensor wires. Use a jumper to bridge the connection. If the light stays solid green, the issue is with the controller. If the light starts blinking, that's normal. It means the timer has activated, and the problem is likely with the cable. And that's the quick rundown of the most common tank full and low well switch issues we see this time of year. If you're ever unsure or need help, give us a call here at Solar Power and Pump Supply. We're always happy to help you get your system back up and running. Solar Power and Pump Supply. We make solar easy.